We're going to try a new method and see if this works any better. You're going to go from this method using the traditional calculator. We have to put the probability, then you have to do 0 times that, 0, 1 times that, 1 times that. Notice you have to enter, push equals, you get that. So you got that number. Then you have to go to this one, which is now you're doing the standard deviation. The last one was the mean. Again, you've got to square all those. Then you have to do that. So you have to do that number squared times that number squared times that. So you have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have another 10 entries. You get the total. Then you have to add them up. That's it. So you have about 21, 22 entries. If you use the list method, like this, using the calculator, you only have 2 entries to do. The first entry is to put in L1 is going to be your X, and you just enter 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And L2, down there, you put in the probabilities. So you have 10 entries. Now all the rest of it is just formulas. You're going to go into L3, and in L3, in this section right here, you're going to push a formula. All you're going to do is push, you want this times this, so you're going to push second L1 and second L2, and do times each, and then all of these will come out for you. So you don't have to do 20 entries right there. Then to get the sum of it, instead of adding all those up, all you do, instead of putting it in this time you don't put it in this is the formula area. You go into the first area under it, and that's where you put the sum. So you go to second catalog, find sum, which you have to keep scrolling down, or you have to do second alpha LN, and then scroll down about 10 more times, and you'll find sum. You push sum, and you want the sum of what? You want the sum of L3. You push enter, that'll automatically be that for you. That'll do that for you. Now for L5, you want to square all those L1s. So all you do is say L5 squared, so you do L1, and then you push the X squared button on the calculator, and all those will come out for you. For L6, what you want now is you want L5 times L2, because you want the squared number times the original number you put in there. So you only have to enter it once, and those all fall out for you. And then you want the sum of that. And so, so you push second catalog, and you go to the sum, which is the second alpha catalog, and then you'll and then you go to the sum. You push this. What do you want the sum of? You want the sum of L6, and you get that. Then you just use the traditional method. Take 9.8761, then you subtract 2.6807 squared. You take the square root of that answer, and then you'll get the answer. So this is what it looks on the calculator. I am now going to go into, I'm going right now into, turn it on, and you'll see it. I already have L1 and L2. I'm going to go,
that was easy.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to go erase. I'm going to go up into the formula area, and I'm going to go over to L3, and I'm going to first erase all these here that I put in. To erase any one of them, you go to clear when it's inside the formula area, and you go down to enter. Now it's all gone. All those are gone. Now I'm going to show you how to use the formula. You go up to L3,
that was easy.
right? You go up to L3, and I want this one times this one. So all I do is I go second L1, and notice that the L1 is down there, times second L2. Notice now my formula is down there. L3 has a formula in it. Now watch. All I push is enter. And all those numbers come in for you. You only have to, that's all the answers came in right there. And then you do the same formulas. Now to push the sum, I'm going to go up like this and up like that. First I'm going to clear empty this to show you how to do the sum. So I'm going to go clear, enter. Now it's gone. Now to do the sum, I'm going to go to second catalog. And look at all the words I have. I have a gazillion of these. Well, they're all in alphabetical order, so I've got to go to second alpha because I got to find the letter. I was doing S, but I'm going to go to T. See, now I have all the T formulas, but I'm going to go up to the sum. There's the sum right there. I'm going to push enter. And now it asks me the sum. What do I want the sum of? I want the sum of L3. So I just put in second L3 and I push enter. There's my sum. So now I go over to L5. I'm going to clear it because I already have it in there. Second clear, enter. Now what I want to do L5 is, I'm going up to the formula section, which is line up there. I want to square my L1. So now I'm going to put in second L1. And now I push the X squared button, which is that one right there. I square it. I push enter. All of those numbers are squared. They all come in for you. Then I go over to, now I want for my L6, I want L5 times L2. So I'm going to first clear it. So I'm going to do clear and enter. They're all gone. I'm going to show you how to use the formula. So I'm in the formula section. So I'm going to do L5 times L2. So I'm going to do second L5. There it is there. Times second L2. There it is. Push enter. And all those will multiply for me. No errors. And I'm going to go over and I want to do the sum of this one right here. So first I'm going to clear. First I'm going to clear it. I'm going to clear and enter. Now it's gone. I'm going to show you do the sum. I'm going to go to second catalog. But see, I have all those, and I don't want all those. So I'm going to go second alpha, because that alpha means I'm going to push the green one. And I'm going to go to T, which is right there.
That was easy.
I can always see it. So I'm going to push the 4. Now I'm in all the T's. But if I go up, there's sum right there. So I push enter because I'm in sum. And I'm going to do sum of L6. So then I do the sum of L6. So I just push second L6 because now that I want the sum of L6, I push enter and there it sums it for me. No errors. Let's see what this looks like.